It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba afitumilike neshia yen. Ewo Facebook no so a na ye DLFM 106.9. Na yemfa kasebo no enchirebo akasa emfa ensemmom. Yensha kasebo na se emfa mfiri epiementenem enkokọ ne potem. Ewo awrahosemum. Na nkra betodwa echiremu a okopiemu ewo nkokọ zongwa. Eye community ni mu a enya semkuma wo. Ehu pa na yemhyehyɛ abeto ade hye ne so hɔ no mo no ɛhɔ no ɛwɔ kwa west mensenem ɛwɔ piemantemu na meka se na yemhyehyɛ enya semkuma ene nyina ne sem etuo bi ato ɛma fulani form akoma miensa tim kaja wɔne mu nyina da ahwere wɔne mo nkwa ɛma abɔfra bi awusu aketewa ɔno sutu aka na meka se no ɔda yɛre sabia mpanifo ɛpere ne nkwa na nka ne nyina kyerem se ndra enumere bɛyɛ na ngwɔtwe pɛpɛpɛ na yɛ penata Kotoni ma bosima yegobe ne dan taso do no efempem mienu ni edenu nmu ena okopie mu e won kokko ne potemam wanomu owo eye veterinary shop bi e hono mo naja se obi ya nyambo na se ho dodo na ode ko ne mpelifo mo maden bo no paneɛ e won konko eye zongo barracks hono ma na mra mpelifo bo maden na fulani fuei ede wono mo na ntwie ko ye mbo mo paneɛ pa mu gina hono ma ye hu de esi ye a na dima yaw tuato atem hono ma na nimpa mienu tim kaja ba ko ka yenso yi fum mirika tente go dwane mpelifo modern tata ne sa ne tu aka ne pe no da fom tim ono su mununya tum ono so ahwere ne nkwam nipa mako a wonu mje fulani fu atu aka wonu de dikan ne den ade Muhammad watu wadi finhia no aduanan enson 47 years afinso Abubakar Abdallah wanya finhia ne aduonum eye enson 57 years anafi Abubakar Muhammad wadi finhia ne aduonum sia 56 years enipa ni hu de si ye nyina ne zentrefo forecast na wo kire mi sem nipa bonfo bomaden ade max ehye wono manim kata wono mu kram ena nim hono bomaden tete nkofo yi eja esane tuo mu se tima yaw ememu myensa de me kase no wono mu nyina da etime ahwere wonom enkwam na nka ne kire mu sem e ma tutu no koso na bofra bi o ya be mu aketo a ono su gina ne ba bia na asem mfa ne ho nanso etuo kana me kase no oda nkokọ eye Holy Family Hospital ne se kase no empenifo epre ne nkwa na nka ne kire mu am ukopie mu ewo nkokọ ne mpotema ye emirikato adehye mpotema nyina na we fa ne nkante na watopia fajan oyiwe me na me kro no me na menta na tuo nka me na me hwere me nkwa na ene emirikata nte ekoso nkokọ ne mpotema no enya sim kuma na yemhyehyɛ ne hu abeto wɔ no so no emu ye yipam na municipal chief executive officer ede makwa we say ye halido eye tamimu wakasa ede rohisimu nsɛm de ato adehye nyina ne musɛm wanu bakwaso agipan atoban aboa ema hobambo nsem etimi akoso kwa west and ne potem sanso na nkokọ Central Police Command ede hwehwem sem de atodwa ekirem sem wanu ma hyase hwehwem ede apa basabase yesi ya mekese nipa makoma miensa wanu ahwera monkwa wanu makase ekirem sem mekese de enya de wanu ma kire obi ade makoso aboban agipan abobo nipa bonfo made tusa na ma we no o ma kire makogema memra etimi ne wanu ede tiwonsa ho sama hodo a efiri kwa west ene wonkokọ epiemantem ebam de yakasebo Enmedimu chemo esemo yanto akasebo no so
Yanto akasebo ne so na Senior Staff Association of Ghana and a Technical University Administrators Association and Federation of University Senior Staff Association for Akabom e de abetuja pema kase ye nde wukuwe kotoni mabo somene de toso ye aduonu baako won fimpi mienu ne aduonu num nimu no e ya de a omo be strike ase a omo nim da omo be wie e strike no esanse omo de sobo no ebo aban dada ane aban ye wo so sesa ne se e ye bosumi agreement bi omo de koma awom se ne be ya omo so be hu te bia omo services no ekomu no asanya ade aban no apabu antimpenifo de ato members nanim se kopem se aban na nkasa bedi hu djuma no hwe no bi antu ni na yesi abontin se okoye djuma mu ni na entina fie no mu ndidi na omonda na we na national chairman Edema Senior Staff Association of Ghana George Anso ede nsametudwa na ochemu se ginasi omasi de ya de mpa na emo mahu hia esan se bibia de di befe se aban no ayi nani ede amawom entikopem se aban no ebeye bibia de afa ho de enya de omo soso no omo bekọ adwuma na emo strike no omo be hyase.
Members of the media, esteemed members of our great association, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and thank you for responding to our invitation. The leadership of the Senior Staff Association University of Ghana, SSAUG, the Technical University Administrators Association of Ghana, TUAC, and the Federation of University Senior Staff Association of Ghana, FUSAC, announce with deep regret but unwavering resolve our decision to embark on an indefinite strike action. Effective today, 21st May 2025. This difficult decision comes after countless engagements and goodwill efforts extended to the government, which have unfortunately been met with persistent inaction, neglect, and blatant failure to honor the terms of our duly signed agreement 6 months ago. Despite numerous dialogues, reminders, and extended timelines, the government has continuously reneged on its commitments, thereby undermining the trust and cooperation that should exist between both parties. The signed agreement was not merely a symbolic gesture, it was a binding contract born out of mutual consensus and aimed at ensuring improved conditions, fair treatment, and a sustainable future for all stakeholders. We wish to make it categorically clear, this strike is not an act of defiance, but a last resort response to an entrenched culture of broken promises. It is our responsibility to stand firm in defense of our rights and to uphold the integrity of agreements meant to safeguard the welfare of our members and the public at large. We understand the potential inconvenience this action may cause, and we do not take that lightly. However, we must emphasize that the burden of this disruption lies squarely with the government's consistent breach of trust and failure to act in good faith.
Eniya National Chairman at the Senior Staff Association of Ghana, George Anson.
Yantu akasi abonu so yegyina mwe ewa nkranapone manta yimum na Accra Metropolitan Assembly yetwaditia eka ne se AMA ama wanam task force a make say no officers bebrena every national security and afenso police service fo akache ahia se di dwumade bu ewa nkranapone manta mu a ekọ nka ne yipam na ndo ada na dwumade ne hia se ne tudu ne mpotema ne nane na musa plus square kopie ma wo kana hia dwumade ne ekọ nka ne yipam na data so mienu nkranapone manta mu ahia se ne eye kotoni ma boss ma toso de nu baako emfimpi miene de nu eye enu mu a omukopie mu okwa menkoma sakre ni opa ne mpotem ho no ma anyase mkumo ye empenifo kopie mu a efin pe ni ye efia mu adwo nko kwa menkoma sakre ni empenifo kire ma se de efia age ho no ma boss no apa enko nkane ebiewu nso enipa bi atenase ba bia hu hia se omode store base no mode asi ho no ba bia hu hia se sabe kwabrane didwa na odidwa ho no mu nyina tantan tan no ma ye mmia hodo bi nso a wanamto tontonu bane na modi bibo ba sibra ompotem ho no ma ye penifo kire mu se ha adwenje pam efia Agyei Sikapa boss we time pam na dwumade ne kwaso na environmental health officer in charge of operations ewa Accra Metropolitan Assembly no Joseph asitanga one sentrefo din komo ene wo kire mu se ehu behia pa sa na moto amuto no mo betu afiri se time se betra nka program mu sabi na nipa bi ede me ahodo a mena makwan ebeye adwadibia ase ho no mu nyina pasam na kurema tantan sa de sabi ye no ane sen ena amen waka se kire mu se ehu behia se Accra Metropolitan Assembly ne bebo betu na mopese na omabo na kurom atekama okirema kopiem akwa menkoma sakre ho no ma mem yahodo bi ho no ma ye efia mo apa se de ho no ma hye ene ukitafo wo kwa beden sa kroma de kwa hwem na nipa bi ahwem de afa wachi ukita bag obakwa no bi di bread de atehu se wa obakwa ne yatwe sika na ofunsu nyina firi mu asabe tan obi anka bi ne senti de adoi de munya ye meforo munya adwumaden na mo som Ghana som pa visa de akoso no Ghana airtime pam opani aka se kirem se edum pempenso a mia hodo ane pebitete no kwan hodo ma fa so atwetwe nyinam kane ade akọ no mpo ehu papa pa kire se mo nkwa da sam o ye illegal connections ahodo ekoso o sek na time pam di conventional size no beboa ma basabasa hodo ekoso no eto atumi atwa aka se kirem se mia hodo nso a eye kese ne bus stop a nkaka begina afa ni pai ho no mu nyina kwa kwada adwadi biafo akache a kirem airtime into moto mu nyina fo se beboa na ka du bia atumi agye mani panya kafo na sabi yanya bus stop amfa mase nipa enija or the same say eto nsentrefo anim.
Joseph Asitanga, the environmental health officer in charge of this operation, ordered and sanctioned by the mayor of Accra. The sanitation condition here is the reason why we are removing them from this place. The illegal electrical connections here, they convert here to residential apartment. All moral activities goes on here. Hardened criminals are here as a transit point. Okay, nobody cares for anything that goes here. In the event of fire outbreak here, everybody will start calling government. I was here 5 years. I was here 10 years. Nobody is responsible for anybody stay here, and therefore everything that is here, we are clearing it out to ensure that the purpose of the bus stop is utilized by Ghanaian people, not for the few who convert it for a station. It was a full-fledged supermarket. The whole of this stretch was a full-fledged supermarket. They operate here, all efforts by the assembly, several times for them to move their items out to allow the bus stop to operate has proven futile. And this is the reason why we planned and we educated them all the efforts. They said they will not move. That is the essence of today. So you can just even look at the back. Look at what is happening. Look at the waste. Have a look at the waste. Look at the mess here. See the mess. Who should come and clean here? The government, you city. Look at the mess here. Look at the illegal connections. All this. We have to bring electricians to disconnect them. They have meters here. Who has given them the meters?
Yes, I'm Kumo, besides, I'm going to say no, I'm meters and no hefa. Yea, bonny meters, and some more baby, Kwame Goma sacrifice, me more as we must order you. Engineer OTA, environmental health officer in charge of operations. Our Accra Metropolitan Assembly, Honor, Nedindi Joseph, Asitanga, and our tenant kind. And watching so an Accra measure. Yenia Bema, Mestam, Alote. Marker, let me say. Okopie mu ewo VIP bar time na hono maye efiam wa said the hono maye pa o kire ma tan se sabi VIP bars mpanimfo betumi atena se na bia mwankasa mu fa nipa de tukwan na hwa ye tan se na ntontom wi nipa de adan pone be na ya mkuruma o kire mu se ma mo 1 and 1 1 and 2 1 and 3 so man sie VIP time na ho ma hwa ntepa dia obejo de from nsem no de asotwe fata e de ma wonom.
I know you when I was a young boy, but if you look at what is happening, yes, in your facility, you think it's right?
No, I wouldn't say it is right because we have employed people to do their work.
So
and those people, if they don't do their work,
DLFM.
we have to be responsible and then take it up on them.
So what do you think? What are you going to say about what is happening here?
Oh, basically,
This is not the only thing.
I'm going to take immediate action by way of recalling my refuse inspectors, the two of them, and then get the driver who take the thing to the supply.
I know you very well.
Yeah.
So I'm giving you up to Monday to fix this. If you don't fix it, I'll take you on.
Certainly.
And come and see the other one too.
Aha, any a OTA, a cremejo, and or the cocobo, Eddie Amamani no, and that VIP, bus time la nano, watch him so once yes, you are. Dwada pepepe obejiwe from nse na chiramo hwe ade a wanom epe ho ne kwa kwam na dwadifu am wanom to ade a kwam nkoma sake ni benin sem twelefo ka so mo chire mi se ye adamontu a enkrabe prema tem mpanifo tuei etan yo na gana mampani ba ne ba na mode aye o MPP ba ye omo ye omo krokro nkakra nkra moto ade makwaje bosin edigwa nkakra nkra na mo ba ya mpo nkaja nka mo ye mo nkakra nkra mpo na mo pam omo se de adan bo ne ba na mode aye mo wona mo chire mi se mo pam omo mpo na mo kwa mbesa aba efise sabe mo ntumi nkwatena fi mekom enku wonom omo de nsem sei etudwa
sebo abasika wa esem oni abotira omo si ye kwa chire omo atola ya mai eti omo tola ya mai no yesu ya wala na chi omo akacha esa mo ba betiti ye ti sankura omo kachile esa omo atola ya mai line ni eti ye line na chi pepe na edi adwuma ye ni muso bi fridge si wa oni o ya be pai na ya sei munya abotila mai na se sai ni bebi akọ mo pa mo ye kwa be saba just alone edi adwuma minyama do mo pa be saba me saba just say MPP wasunu MPP for no mo pa mo ye sei o mo mai bebi na ya tena o mo mai bebi na atre ti mo so munya abotila mai ya kajilo e wa mo say your politics ya kajilo e ya loska mama ya sawe mama yes mama yes now ya mabo abansika ena edi ajuma mama uya mabo yani bebi aye mo yebeko ya pamucha
Aka bibi say aha no ye ya wa ha ye ni say aha ya bus stop na so bus stop we no station for no kwati aji bus stop na bo so yeso ya bua Ghana obi o ya obi de kwa be play dey anim na wo ba ho ne nam na ka tell say aha ya bus stop na ya say na ba na mu no tama MPP for our so no wo mo ka tell say lemu ha ya na to lemu ti ha ya NDC for lemu o mo to ya kwati na fie 6 good months na aha for no do ku ya afam ha fo na mo de o mo te ho ya nka wo mo hwe ya tena ha na ya ne pa cha wa ne pa cha mo hu ye mo no mo sa ya
Eni a woti ye eya dwadifo a wonom tonton ne ma wakwa menkoma sekra mu chirim se dedo de Ghana mampani wuche wani ensa dansayem ho mmobbo efise se opam wo ma de ombedi mpo ebe ye din wo mayim
Yantua Kasiabone so na Director General Edema Social Security and National Insurance Trust yes net for Mr. Kwesi Afrebaini edi abetudwa HM say yes need hotels na no more ton say dey nya de omoton ni biwe san some person omumnya mfaso wo so no the same way etudwa wa bra nsemtwofo bi san no ede fa omudwumako investment ho wa bra na omu bi yes net branch foforo ewa sprinters Adwoa Kotonim abosom ni de to so dunkunu ewa mfimpi mienu ni aduonu num na ochire mu se ade a snit administration na omatwa mu no na omobomodin aton snit hotels ba enan a omo 60% share no person common ton Labadi Beach Hotel, La Palm Royal Beach Resort, any Ridge Royal Hotel, and Elmina Beach Resort no. Na komo town at the Rock City Hotel Limited for Sanya Bay Omuso no. Ebetimi enyeska no muche mu se dwumedi omuna omudi no. Ade Ghana for ye chire bebre ade fa ho no nam so ama National Pension Regulatory Authority for bomodi atwe hotel no omoton no esan no ne semtwa for kasa na Mr. Baini eche mu se nya de omobeton na emom omehwe se dwumedi no metimi aye ni na ye na hyehye bia wo so omhyehyɛ edefa hotel no ho ene nsakraye wo so omoye no ombeye ewo hotel nim se na ebe ya mfasode enso so no ebetimi abaso.
You know, every year, to increase our pension payout, we do what we call indexation, which is actually a function of, you look at the inflation rate, you look at the returns that you are getting, you look at membership contribution, and then you decide to what level do you want to increase pension payout to pensioners. Now, to be able to give more requires us to ensure that our investments are yielding returns that enables us to give more. And that's why I earlier flagged the point that it is crucial that we help change those non-performing assets into performing assets. We've looked at reviewing our investment portfolio. We've looked at which areas are giving us the best returns, and we are beginning to channel our resources into areas that give us the best returns. We've made a decision that the fixed income securities is an area that has been yielding good returns for us. So we'll keep pushing quite a number of our investments into the fixed income securities. Some listed equities have done great for us, particularly those in the banking industry as well as those in the telco space. That has yielded some great investment for us. So it's an area we'll keep pushing money into. Power has been an area where we've had great results. So it's also an area that we are looking at. And that's the reason why our only power plant at Tema, we are expanding Senate to have an operation in Kumasi, not only to expand on power provision for the people of Ghana, but also to ensure that since it's an area that is giving us good returns, it should be an area that we enhance our activities in. Watch out for what we will do with our facilities that were to be sold. I can assure you we will not sell those facilities. We'll turn around those facilities and we'll have an event to speak to what we plan to do with those facilities.
Director General Edema Senate Mr. Kwesi Afrebaini.
Yantua Kasiabone so na yamban sambonwura mu kakra awa piema temu ho no monso eja efenaba eno ene yedim na upiemu apiema temu ho no ma district chief executive Edema de shia wonomo Adwoa East District Assembly no ewa piema temu ye nes ogusu entem ede abasobo ede aboga na mampani John Dramani Mahama so wadana se pa so nya ne mugidim na watimede Adwoa East District no dia sha ne nsaso no ena nya mensini krache emfa ama wonom o kirem se ne montu aga na mampani matwi e moda pa sabi anomandam na mra mensini krache ka se do kirem se ono to bekwaso abadwumaden aboa pa Adwoa East mensini na assembly no atimi afantoma afura pam project ko do bekwaso maboa pa mamputudwuma busu pa Adwoa East ebe beboa na Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama arehwemu ni gidi onya wono mu no animguase etime enka no Mr. Enes ewusu ntim kasa mu ana wasan akire musem ade abaako a ede na akoma so a otwe hu da biada ene se okopie mu Adwoa East sesabato mpesua so a fuma gudie tu koso ho no kire musem ade abaako de na akoma so ne se obeboa na assembly no anhyehye pa etim the policies ahodo bi aba won betime tu fuma gudie kwampa so na boa se be yam ye na tena ye ade no jeze nipa ntumi nse ye na tena ye na galam ejizani mani ahodo mbeye no betulu kwampa so na boa na mpuntu atimi akosom ena ezewusu ntim kire mu sem Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama enya de okasa editiafo magudie ne bom wono monam koti kwan so etufu magudie no eno na Ghana mampani enseso so kram o kire mu se enam Ghana mampani na niji eje efu magudie tu ho ntim ena odi gold board e de aba eboa menam kese Ghana bibia konkanya o maga na sikasem ekona nim kama kama man yekoye ne mo nti o kire mu sem se kwabase ni pat metina se na wo yehye pa na na de hia mo wati wa east etu tese fu magudie kwampa so a wo betumi aboabo akwaye insansi ene nsuo ene ataye nyina ho ban na boa mane matumi akonka ne yepam etiwa east DCC yan kanjira de chomo ne potemo nyina nsem one ne staff nya bebo adwumaden abo mampuntu atumi akoso yepa ne mo ade ba ko ade ba ne sem wo mo bibia mo fa ne se audit wo betena se na mmea akoto amutu eye efuma kutie ewo etiwa east ene potemo no amuna akodo amufu nipa betutu atoto ho no ma wono man kata so mba kata ne nyina so kama pa boa se be ye beboam na mo de sikua etimi ya ba se be ya dachi bia no enko fe sansofo ne bi mfa mba se be ye tuam ne bia to na obi ku afunu akoto no babu ne ndam dabi ebi nko sinti baba no homaden aboa pa ama exizane ye kwan wodo e fa so tum galam sei no ana sei ye tu afuma gudie na ye papa aye kama ya krabahwe e watiwa east ene potem modin sem sei eto esentrefo enim.
Many need the chief executive for about 40 ways. I did say so far last week and I share Jumasi office. Today can that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I say, well, Akwanya Wadiama, any GDS son kwa wenya ewu say memra missing a name. But I will share district now. At what is district? District ya 8.1. We share any ma air cost na ye wajuma bebre there, but so far so good and yes so bad sir. We share has a money area by sector more nema bebre be share betimi improve any ma air cost watiwa ye be share mining sector. We share a lot of irresponsible mining air cost bebre and president in so ni so ade hu say obehwe say obi aye mining it's say won chi good so chi good and can't good board but no kro when the kwan papa so be ya and cover problem ma sika kakra na be nya free mining sector na be san so akwakọ say wo other areas no nti e behwe na ene ma ese nkrofo ye ne ye o mining sector na ye wo hwa ye develop bibi e fe no audit of the land ye be say audit land na hwe be bia nkrofo ye dwuma o man kata so then we call those people to order so behwe no be kata so ene wo ne ma na ye kọ enim no we meet the miners to ensure say o metima ye ene ma ese ne fata nti mining sector ni o plans be I want to do it.
Enwachi NS intim owusu ono eye mensi krache edema de hia wono etiwa east eye assembly no esan kire mu se ade ba ko ba ye odina ko tu awisie ade ahunu bi enesem okopie mu watiwa east ho no am eye staff members anase assembly no members na dwuma ye fo no ye wono mu ye die ne nkonkan wono wa fa nya kra ne senti ono wankasa bebo mabofoto ede ama staff members ni nyina kama se bebo na wono ye die no etimi akonka ne o kiremu am ono wankasa bedi kan disika akra to ase wi a members ni nyina betumi aboa na o mabofoto ede ama eye etiwa east assembly no eye staff ni nyina se be ye o monso so ye die e betumi akonka wakasa kiremu se ba wo be ba besom ne senti obi anyi ne differences fantu baabi enya manyosom na mo ye Ghana mampani tu ni se omra mebo na mpuntu enkoso atiwa east do munya ntan da chiem na ommo na mpuntu entimi nkoso ewo atiwa east en potem
owusu nti minister pa na dey say the first na me catch omo ya abade a wefe is say nipa wo ye adwuma na wasomdwe a na etimi eniye so I get to know say omo ni even welfare ekura yate in case of say bibi to obi a you can rely on whether say ye kwakoja na ni jemu na so I told them say first of all is etimi establish welfare for the workers me aka say devote to be a seed man I the best start is our welfare we say no enti omunya rehemu ye ba be adwuma e Ghana nti enye obi a whether abambe kwa abambe ba but omane de be koso atena wonti enhwe kwan be fa so a ebetimi apeja mansi no na hye nyame ene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no nyam so far so good because most of me buy no wo hwe ne ma omde che award omo ye bia omo any first omo second so to the best of my knowledge I think say for now I feel remember me call 1 week enti me say so far so good once say omo timi di bibia kire aba omo dwuma omo ye de na so far so good but the message and say when your party asem eye oman chiche MPP yakwan DC ni ka be fa so DC yakwan MPP ni ka be fa so once yenya edrum pempen so we there we put politics aside na ya hwe kwan be fa so a Ghana betumpo eno ne hia kese
enti ene a wuti ye no okopie mu ewo etiwa east wono ma assembly na ono ɛna yɛ opening power yɛ mensini krache ɛde ba hɔnom ne den ɛde onimnyamfoɔ Ernest Owusu Ntim ɛna wɔte ne nkan ɛno akyerɛ nso ɛna opening power go pie mu asamre hɔnom a ɔno so ɛbɔ adwumadin yɛ paa ɔyɛ district coordinating director ɛde ma Atiwa East Assembly ne den ɛde ɛyɛ Shakar ɛyɛ Mahamud ɛyɛ Kwadwo ɔno so kyerɛ mu sɛm ɔsrada DC ya wabɛbɔ adwumaden paa boa mampuntu akɔso pa ɔbɛtaa n'akyi panto ɔsrɛ ɛyɛ assembly members ni nyinaa mɔmɔden a staff no wɔn ntɛn n'akyi yɛ paa na Mr. Ernest ba ɔbaayɛ no adwumaden ti ɛna ɔbaayɛ nti ɔsrɛ obiara nyi difference nto nkyɛn ɛnyɛ MPP ɛnyɛ nisi asɛm mo nyinaa mɔmɔ na mpuntu nkɔ so ɛwɔ Atiwa East every sabi woyɛ civil servant a woba abɛsom wa ma so ba ya manyo se mando si the same say etuja
well kwanso be bride be boa chief executive sana odi kan ba na meeting on management issue on staff ni nyina issue nti na ehia no e ba adwumadi a ba di o East na odi atu anim nti me so ma eje me staff nyina sina yen kabom empe kwan e be fa so kwan papa e be fa so na ya tai na chi se na be ya na vision a o ma Atiwa East no e be ba into fruition so we can assure him that he can rely on us e wo man 24/7 e wi awo anopa o nsuomu e wo man e be tai na ehwese na enisiadi hunu awo ma Atiwa East no eba into fruition yeah me catch obi say o gina baby na o ka say o me support party we me support party just say o nya civil servant o bibi a friend neutrality then the aban be ko say ejuma ma government of the day nti party bi aba for me government of the day no we owe allegiance to the state nti obi ko aba ho no be ka say me support party we just say me pa no onya civil servant eno kan po me ntie obeba be ka obi a o civil servant bi a you owe allegiance to the state nti me catch my staff say and try our possible best to stay political neutral and support the chief executive. On so by no can say on the sisi our DC president na by but any party ntina wa ha o hama obia ba e be adwuma ma Atiwa East nti we staff wo ha say o ye ne say o sede a ne nti a wo ba ha ba nti a wo ka no na wa ye na o di atan na chi se na be ya on so be nkunimdi kese e be ba o mindful a mo wa Atiwa East district
eni a wo tie ko pie mu Atiwa East district assembly ho no am Obo adwumadin yi pa ono na ye district coordinating director ede ma Atiwa East Assembly no ne den ede Shakir Mahamud Piatu ne na wotie na mane boy yensem twere ne kontenhene kofi opo ene difra pie bantemo ede ebesmewe ne nyina we so na yenkenkan madwen kyere ne bi na yemfa ensomo we efri Owusu John Hey, na krachi advertise we dey in fact emfa kwan mo jan wate set antubam na say ni den de maram aka breastfeeding and I say good evening or here live na say news ni dey in fact emu ade hey great news pa na say MPP mon kama no ntum na montena echo na muhuna ma na dey do dey Ghana man ye NDC ne Ghana man pani John Dramani Mahamad mpam ba bi ntena dey na kasa na ya dos no do yate we nsu free eye honorable suri eye bobo and wo kire mi sem Etamo kama Africa hanum yenya civilians bia medu omanimu da oso wotwere e de free tapa enyinase so yate senior we sifuko free kobi asamwa no say good evening Kwadwo ni Adwoa ohwe live no tie yempa e de free lakeside estate community 8 and I say news ni in fact authentic na we should keep it up ya da senior ya menchira opam master planner junior kentampo no say NDC de Adpepa bia ni hon beba Ghana dad na anamompa na dankwa gufuado ni Dr. Manu Bawumia ebetu ye no plans dad na NDC amanyiko didi de ho saa adpepa bia ni honom dad na nothing new to offer Ghanaians o se nchia nkoma honorable Charles Oten Oti incoming Greater Accra assistant secretary ya te wensu free Richard ahwe ene wo kire mi sem good evening to you Pentecost dam Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi na Agyei Sikapa se ka se bo mo de person no man na nam DJ Ghana man free ni so gbe station ho no ma ho na Ghana fo nyina hwe kase bo ni so se adwumadi an ye bo na kon kan ye pante yankopon on hia ne yenko so emmo adwumaten we nso every baba ma ma oboase na wo kire mu say dollar ine ekofom sa na sidi na nya hoden kama na so meke se ne cement bo dada na o ndi ya ne dan o se nchia kase yankoma abanga Yakubu Fuse ne MPP National Youth Organizer hofo yate we sufri eye comfort eye mati no kire mi say dear news ne dia in fact eye taste yangaza no here live edi free ashama gwetre US yada se hofe ya menchira pa ye kase bado ye DC ne yakwa na momfa ncha ye na me bre nti so fa no ye ntumi mfa ma momfa ncha ye pa ya me ya do be kira ye be de nkomo te ne de momfa ncha ye pa ye chewani say ye ntumi amfa so fa no amfa mo na mo ye sore so no we ya woda kase pam Efri owura ne den ede na nakwaku eye manfi na ochirem se owotema community 25 na ochirem ne eye ne mame na wodanti we ye happy birthday en confirm me says gifty already uwo ama samai enti ochirem se yankopon chira mama onpeja onya okese na onfa mfra temo enkwadome vise wo se wanwo na ye kobedi ya papa ne mpa bo nyina ne se yankopon peja wo no onya okese hwe pa de ahwe na busua ne nyina no yankopon tinanim na onfa nchira onti ne eye happy birthday enko efama me says gifty already uwo ama samai efri wankasa ubabema na kwaku eye manfi ono no watema community 25 ono se yemfa woda kase we na yemfa emagwom we akase bone ye de si emusemufo no eye maze mebelantwi ene semo ede emajen DJ Omalo de ekopie mo ewo Facebook no so DJ Zigibi eye senior technician on duty chinchima fudie ni fruma ede emajen akenkanfo mienu a ye hwene tia esentemu animrei ye se nkonwa ebe somosompa no edi amegesiwom eye takwade Kwadwo krom twabe wode hye konkrom Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mahoteden ene ehunsuo mpone mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
masa ye sora hwan na eba
Apakan GH
odede na eba
agropamansonsem
sao yenka nsuo na odeba wo enti ene ha bewura pa ananya sa
osa pepe
aha wo se dwumadi odeba na ye den
agropamaso ensem
DL Power Sports emuante ejawom dedew
yeba munyina mo enitia adehye
DL Power Sports emuante ejawom dedew
Jena yankupo atwere se ebe ho no ene ebe ye ho nti yeda yankupo ase ansa na mistake na ba in our player side na yankupo peno jena yankupo atwere se ebe ho no ene ebe ye ho nti yeda yankupo ase ansa na mistake na ba in our player side na omutumi equalize ye no inshallah bro ni se mintumo me ase Obeshena wasiyeshe no mabi.
Baby, what the direction of Kife's economy here?
Direction me, yena ediko. Ediko win never kofa obi aba na my high diamond na mitianika. Kind of you are journalists, some of you don't I think you are doing like you don't go to school. Direction me. I'm taking Kife's to a good direction. We thank God. We didn't lose in our home today. 4 matches, 1 point. Alhamdulillah. You are taking yourself for bad direction, action, bad caution.
Ukudagbe wotro ya mele gbedura no vinyo gbeto fio gama gbado me gbanoi sports ye me twogbono yimenko enyu DL Power Sports update mele kukuno wotro ya fibia lelela yomade na madena grona madena mesia microphone to fio no chome radio adre DL 106.9 sports ajimila ye ukuadagbe wotro ya me no me twogbono tamede kukuno radio angbade legia naneno gia anyami ganyobi tuobole bon no ko e Facebook e YouTube gbekene efia no yo minga bo be she gbekene wata share kon waka sports ni ba egbaji DL Power Sports update me kpabo fai gbekene ni ochemoko ni moko akemoko ni mofiamo ke radio afo DL 106.9 sports no ni small ni wata shi gbekene wakeba kaji radio ebie hani ne phobia wo yedi BP sports me ni wakeba babo gbekene. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. Wednesday evening we are back on your radio to bring you DL Power Sports update. So please, this evening, don't hesitate to call a friend, to tell a friend, to inform the whole family that DL Power Sports update is airborne live. Ebusia mami na we so na obuo ahobraseni didi ekwanso mema wa John ema wa kwaba embe PM wa Ghana ne nkrampumpuni mantem agiatum kasafidie kesia ba ko pesu DL ohani nsia echiripo enkron ukuada nwumre aguri momrante ya tenase efiti anopa aguri mu nsema woro a ekọ twine ekọ brema ya kwakotase na yɛde akɔma semofo wagibra trans wawu so aso ne so krogen ntebe ni nyina waye film ni aka de ɔse modu otiefo editie sɛ wote ɔhwɛfo edi hwɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ ɛna yɛn ɔkafo nso no edi kase ya kan ya trans ya yɛde ba ne yɛde bɛsomo aya gudie mu nsema edi adanada na ebumfumpa edi adencheche ɛwɔ Ghana bibrem ɛne broni cross wa mano ne yaturi din DL Power Sports Update ebusia baby bia won anwumre Tami Kuchu Jijidem ya tase nsam no akyekere abɔ ne bɛdɛ yɛbɛsane mu ade agufam ade ama ne yɛsɛ wotibia no obɛte na ebusia transi abribia na wahyɛ ne nso ade ama me sɛ dwumako bia daroma ɛna ɔmo de ɔmo sike so yɛ mu ma yɛde nsam no ɛba na aseda kɛseɛ no ɛnkonfam adwumako a yɛfam Lumba ensupa na Lumba ensupa yɛ nsu abadwama nso ebusia emu yɛ kama emu ɛyɛ krogen na asoya Ghana ban ama omtumi krata se ometuma yenhwehwemu e de afa ne yedi ene ne ayenomo ye from Food and Drugs Authority na omafa Lumba nsupa no e de akoma so e de afam fidiem ayenhwehwemu agye atum se ene obepie mu Ghana na opensu emu ye krogen na emu te na emu ye dene kama ese Ghana ni bia no bidia eno ani Lumba nsupa ntiabusia ba bibia won na nwumre ya wutie me no nsu ese wonom no eye Lumba nsupa efiefie mo nonom eno achi nkola ne kosku amomfa bi nhyɛ mo bag mu na omomfa nkɔ dwumadie bi a odi efiti abadi ntoɔ ɛpono bi na moto conference bi na moyɛ dwumadie bi a odi bia nfa Lumba nsupa fa serve wa hoho ɛwɔ dwumadie na se na bibia nso ɛnyɛ kama mo a motontonsuo Lumba nsupa no na nde obi atɔ enti mo ntɔn na mo benya sika doso po edi egumu botom na abrabo na mo no nso bibia tumi aye kama na mo nsuo na moton no etumi etumpon ne afa nsuo aye no mo de abusia ne ahenche ne kita no the king of kings the number 1 no eno ani Lumba ensupa na enije samene se ye won bottle ene ne sachet enti sa ope bottle ana sachet no obetumi enya ya to apeti baby a obia no obenya bi dansoma ne mpatem madam abanyameche akachi ewa P2 Sling obe Lumba sport no fre madam abanyameche ewo 0557 349 401 Mama Vic akachi ewo fanko Sport M Washing Bay ubenya bi 0500 68078 Lumba nsupa ope bi ato DLFM ya akachi ewo nkran ha Agbogwa Junction yani Wisconsin International University no ena edi animhwe obo ran akachi a odi a reception ho oba kase ope Lumba nsupa ni bi ato say ye bottle na sashi ye belidiu na wenya bi ato ope se oda wo de anase ebusia opese bia oye enquiry bia about Lumba ensupa numbers when obetumi order unso no ana obey enquiries bi area found numbers no 0345 0 no about 5 miensa 27 47 57 0555 274757 ana 0577 475343 Lumba Spadaroma enanwumre ya transe DL Power Sports Update yaba pro nsam no edi agufam edi am from afar kwame afum account yade nsam no eba DJ Omarion Facebook and YouTube ade atwo DLFM 106.9 obetumi enya dwumadi ni bi na wahwe kama wo zigibi technician on duty otaychire yade nsam no eba ebusia mi amatena se na meba be pro nsam no edi agufam edi ama wadi amje so no ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH de blazer ki yenti we ba yebesi fam na yatuja edi nsam no edi asomo
Apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hu brase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti
Abusia yanka jangumani yamfa ensam no emfambre ode yanhyase emfamfi Ghana yewia ne de abribrem ene broni cross so dia no ere atoa so dia madia dano kwasia da kopiemo ewo University of Ghana Stadium ananya sam ketwa esanse Ghana Women's Football Festival no etumi ekoso eno ye mano FA Cup no ene emano league no champion of champions na enkrofo bo Ghana Football Association abaso se Ghana ebane ma football na omode ko empempenso ewo suru ye pa na ket Iyesokreko ena ye Ghana Football Association president o se dano kwasiade na ye witness ye ewo University of Ghana Stadium ewo Legon no we no ohwe anim se ende no bibia ebekoye na obi atwen se sada we beba na ye celebrate a football na 4 teams na ball final ni nyina no obia na ne money mo ewosoro omoma obia ni ji omu make obia proud and afi supporters na mo bae emra na insuo toni ade amama bema mu nyina no oboma baso for sade na mo ye yentie ora ket yeso kreku.
It was a day I was very much looking forward to because it was a day reserved for us to celebrate women's football. And we call that day the Women's Football Festival. Indeed, the 4 teams that walked out of the changing room onto the turf made all of us proud. If you look at the level of the competition, the level of football, the enthusiasm shown by the clubs, the fans who defied the heavy rains to stay and to enjoy the female sport, it's something that really excited me.
Ket yeso kreku atwane Samson odi tu dwachire ma nei mani football na afane ntoma pe frama nyama ekoye a obi abogie fe no abaso no eye investment o maye ewo ma football since o take over the last 5 years na no na ashasia eso aba na ohwe Black Queens na nansem pempen so ye pese omudu no omo kekako Afcon e mane de no o metumi qualify omo kwakobo nti we nyina che investment Ghana Football Association aye ewo ma football for the last 5 years no suaba.
The investments that we've made in the female sport over the last 5 years is beginning to yield fruits, so to say. Our Black Queens are back to the stage that they belong to, getting ready for the WAFCON. But most importantly, police ladies and faith ladies deserve all the congratulations that they deserve, because they put up their very best. They give more respect to the female sport, and I'm looking forward to seeing them compete on the much higher platform.
Kate years away from a man football and the Ghana Football Association launch the 5th edition of the KGL Foundation Inter-Regional Under-17 Coast Championship no ewo KGL House ewo Laboni Enquires na Kate years ewo sa dwumedie na se odi nkomo na Kate years eri atudwa echema the KGL Foundation Inter-Regional Under-17 Coast Championship no eye dream edema enkwala to omoba a omo pese omo bobo Ghana we no ebeye platform de amom betuma kire omo talent ene nia ombetumi aye sene ebeye omo nsu no ebenya nidaso bi se in the Ghana football no omo dachi ewom na ose 5 years ago in the honor care to krekwani ni GF ni baye omo ye omo adwen so mbeye bibisa na omo pre na omunya ena ne KGL Foundation atwi omuti se ket yebebo oni wo afi no na ban youth football any development anyama fan into my pefra.
This championship embodies the dreams of young boys across the country and gives them the platform to showcase not only their talent, but also discipline and potential. 5 years ago, when nobody in Ghana believed in the vision of the Football Association, KGL Foundation came through for us.
Ketokreku Atwane Samson and also the KGL Foundation Inter-Regional Under-17 Coast Championship no ebebuama intensified training any development edema referees into referees no ebe yusu ede a training na fenso yede developing referees and watching so coaches coach teams out no onbe yusu ede developing omo woni ade enti abanisa Ghana yebe improve in terms of technical quality and yen game no ewo the lower level nso no ebetumi akompempenso a yepenose we no ekire GF no ahomfama or was say Ghana football no obe developing no edi afiase o edi abasoro
and intensify trainings and development of referees and coaches to improve the technical quality of our game at the foundation level. All of these initiatives reflect our deep commitment to a holistic football development and grassroots excellence. Beyond training and provision of logistics, competition is key.
Katia Sokrekwe Ghana Football Association President and sama wodo ori atu Ghana ndanyumre ya jebra ya de asom ewo dwumedi no so yantoan semana esoria yanko piem ewo Sun Lodge Hotel ewo nkran na ndra the Ghana National Ex Goalkeepers Union omotumi ehona hat of goalkeeper aye friend Benjamin Asare for nansen and monema obo eni se wura Black Stars etumi akoye number 1 goalkeeper Abubakari Kankani a former Black Stars of Ghana and Ash Gold goalkeeper or Church Remunientia was Sun Lodge Hotel Endra or more organized Jumedi FFFSA at the ball Benjamin Asari Abasono or Church Remunienti.
As I said, on the so era na blaster na goalkeepers a local goalkeepers in we have several seconds and a side vertical D for no and on social.
Davi anyansa ne na nini yenti
bebre bese ye bebo special be Benjamin dey special Benjamin dey special to extent say ono afi no why tell other national team why dey take post no inte say bebo na senior encourage no team kuku because last year kwa no Olympics na Agyei award we twice month our goalkeeper best goalkeeper of the month na Agyei twice last year tamano Olympics actually on say goalkeeper there say na oda match ni yen hyewa na ya na amanfo ni de ewo ho on me chon to dolly tin say ana won so I very lucky say wanya ne goalkeeper trainer no say national goalkeeper bendida into qualities ni de or the be man
Abubakari Kankani etwanen Samson odi tu just say Benjamin Asare yemwa na baso esanse for some time now no na ebane Ghana goalkeepers na abrofo no omo aye Ghana fo wa brochire omo da no omo ba omo na eda nanso local goalkeepers ne ko munya bi nda na for local goalkeepers so be Black Stars na ehonoma ne first call up obetumi akodem no yammo na baso for sade na waye no
ss bona baso fi say on say so era na blaster na goalkeepers a local goalkeepers in we have several seconds and a side vertical D for no and on social you can invite in the blaster time and come over AFCON no but omo buy no yes answer line no and your friend back and what akwa post no
Abu Bakari Kankani and watenenka Ali Jara was Sajuberi na sin yebisansa Ali Jara former Black Stars and a team Saudi goalkeepers for Ghana kabibi chire e dey ntina mo ye we and o say omo ye we say omo di give back to the society esanse mro mo da go no Ghana for etel machi enti mrewedo say omo nso no mba ye bibi e dey ama nchirima no na show mo nkran no ma hu say omo no oma ye bi pen omo nso ebetumi aye.
What I just want to add to at least touch to what my brothers have said in society, what society has given us. We came from a long way in our department. We have no one to support us except the net. That's why we came together to motivate the young generation coming. We want the younger generation to know us.
Na Benjamin Asare ex goalkeepers no ebona baso no or the asidade ma twedi ampo nyankopon wie no and o say ex players no ana ex goalkeepers no ade o maye ede amani oda o ma say eda haso folk any obi bia wa supporting a career ede ababedu mpempensoe ono Benjamin Asare oda obi bia say
for ye asidade ma nyame say wati empire boss enemre ina ye be shia wa say say enemre ina be shia wa say because eneda eda nyina yakoma so ana nyina eni adwum say bia ebet na me meet wasi na so nyame adwum nyina ebet na be shia wasi me da obi bia asi omba ye do mantimi amba nyina me bia asida mo nyina say omantimi adwum me ho na omantimi amba this platform ana so fast bia asida so ma ye board chairman any board members across of Ghana nyina obia wo ko asi nyina the way say no be by body kasaba time chi no ko ma me kwan chi no nyina asi
Benjamin Asare had to for goalkeeper na watenenka Endra was Sun Lodge Hotel no the Ghana National Ex Goalkeepers Union omobo na ba so wonsam na ye de asom Ghana Premier League no wonsam no coach Kwaku Danso coach Adwoa Bechem United ye bisanso omko season no na omo target ne sen na o si o Bechem United e season no na omo target ne se ye bebo season awie se omanje league ne kra top 4 de ometumi awrem
ye target se ma ye ho ne se ye be league na first 4 ye kan ho
na coach Kwaku Danso etwane Samson odi tu dwa se league na omantumi anje ananse ase omomone mon akwakoye bibia wo ne ene se nanse omu lusu 2 games bi wo fie etoa so against baby any Go Stars any brekum Chelsea na sa 2 defeat na omunya wo fie nkugo mienu no o se ne eno na haoma amoma beda babia omude yen sanka o ebia enka soro baby na omuda na momo no matches aka ne abo season awie no omo Bechem United ombe ya oma famudie bia se ombedi nkunim woni nyinam se na be ya ye be wie season no na baby omuda no baby pa
emi say o sha Bechem United you lose home before us you lose to the any Go Stars and you lose to Brekum Chelsea it is a defeat na buy no at the end na twen about you ama enoma yes about yabamumu aka matches are therefore I wear limti the bumper is bit na really for matches in Nigeria but a respectable position.
Coach Kwaku Danso coach Adema Bobo kwa ye freno Bechem United ana wetu maten nkana Kasim Mengo Kansi coach Adema Nation Service o se eka be 7 to 8 matches na season no aye wo mu abana wie no ana otena se hu se league no mbo momoni a on betu maji nti o freno mnante ne tena se eka chom se baby ayedu yayiri ye ho a Ghana Premier League no ye betumi age na mo ye betumi age a age ye pagya ya money bonum na fenso no ye concentrate wo games no so na ye focus na se obi aba na obi aye na afamu dia league ni ye betuma age ampone ne mrantia ne kasa omo gitumo eno na nde amoma bedu baby omadua league table no hwe ne odikan a Nation Service
7-8 matches to go. We sat down, I stacked them up. I told them where we've reached, we can go for the league title. But we need half our game, concentrate, focus. Everybody should come to the party that your aim is going for the title. Everybody. So we talk a lot and they say, okay, good, we can do it. And that has pushed them to this time.
Kasim Mengo Kansi coach Adema Nation Service no waten nkano Ibrahim Tanko Anyas coach Adema Mediama Sporting Club wasi aka league matches no miensa ni ewie season no na sa matches miensa no mo 3 point da oda ya nanke so mni nso atreman bo o ma fi league no nti GFA ebe ma 3 point ama 3 goals anu achi no last 2 games no o mo ne kotokoni Brekum Chelsea o ma try no ma show mo na o menya 6 point na o ma hwe se ye bebo season be we top 4 there na o mu wom our Ghana Premier League no.
No, definitely we have, like I said, 3 games, one which will get the 3 points, and then we have Kotoko and Chelsea. Definitely we will try and get 6 points so that we will finish maybe the first top 4.
Ibrahim Tanko Anyas coach Adema Mediama ana watene nkano Kumasi Asante Kotoko akache oni msende coach Abdul Karim Zito no abe twima mentwe ebinum se yankofa coach from ebinum se Karim Zito no onto aso interim no bo adwuma enti yamfama ne permanent Safu Jamfi aka Black President oye legend Adema Kotoko na yebisa Safu Jamfi se coach Abdul Karim Zito no onto aso ana yankopa bi from na and I see coach Abdul Karim Zito no to aswa ope one to aso so no koswa ye ne technical director no pe na so ye technical director Adema Kotoko obetumi develop young talent Adema Kotoko esan se ni awaye bi da no ene ye de ne gya akere no esan se wo hwe coach Abdul Karim Zito a hwe talent awodo a o develop ye e wo dream sesi enti so wan ye coach Adema Kotoko kra permanently no ye technical director obetumi aboa develop talent Adema Kotoko
media for your coach here, or your technical director as well, because the man is technical director as well, or no, but why? I develop no mobile. I'm player about to get one last year, nobody. And so
Safu Jamfi aka Black President Ghana football mu de minim so bi Pedro de China or Pedro temo football mu bruta safu jamfi ose mo amonye aduro ndi wo bo mu na monyini no de ogidi ya adwuma pa na Benjamin Obin Sechere former Ashanti Regional Cycles chairman Erema Kotkose Abdul Karim Zito no our experience se odi lead kotko technical team na beboa na sempen for kra no bekwa kofobia ba omumpe broni bia wa ye adwuma wa Africa ha onim African terrain a obetumi abaye technical director na Abdul Karim Zito ne de penny experience ne de mo man lead the technical team no any playing body as a coach
enough experience technical head I think say yeah me brother na me say technical director ne de you better be akamoa kenya me to me that is my thinking when you broni bia coach Africa ha Agyei Glories are winning Africa Champions League now they know about the technical director na Zito as the playing body technical head I think is the best. But for now, no, I am praying technical director. I am team as a head coach. Do maybe as man management and the cohesion on them and assistant coach in so
Benjamin Obin Sechere, a former Ashanti Regional Cycles chairman, Erema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Yamfa Fierensi, Niamfa Kakrebin Tuaso Ewa Manone, and to me Famaria 2024-2025 season UEFA Europa League final. Egusua Ekoso, Ewa San Mames, Ewa Spain, Athletic Club Bilbao, Omufio, and San Mames, Ewa, and a UEFA Europa League in Ekoso, na Bobo Kwefen Tottenham Hotspur, and in Manchester United, Eddie Abweni, Yabo 6 minutes 17 seconds. Man U NGB Sanso and a Tottenham Hotspur NGB 2 teams no on line up on the Ura Kensi and Senate Bobo Kwa your friend Tottenham with coach Angie Postekoglu goalkeeper Gigri Mo Vicario Gigrimo Vicario Neda go post one Ubenya Pedro Poro and a Destiny Odoji our right back and a left back Christian Romero and a Mickey van der Ven and a ball center back pair Edema Tottenham midfielder no Yavis Bisuma Rodrigo Bentancur and a Pape Metasa and a Nimono Brennan Johnson Dominic Solanke and a Richard now Rich Allison and a LED lines on a 4-3-3 formation and a Tottenham Hotspur about Kevin Danso Son Heung-min Matthias Still Ake Gray Jed Spence Wilson Odobert Ben Davis Brendan Austin Alfie Whiteman Den Scarlett Mickey Moore and Damola Ajayi and a bench Edema Bobo Kwa your friend Tottenham Hotspur Man you are catch coach your friend Ruben Amorim na goalkeeper no Andre Onana about 3 back of Luke Shaw Harry Maguire and Lenny Yoro and ring backs no Nuzem Azrai and Patrick Dogun and a ball a ring back no Edema Manu and Bruno Fernandes and Casemiro wo in film from behind them no Mason Mount Amad Diallo and Rasmus Højlund LED lines no Edema Bobo Kwa fan Manchester United bench no Ubenya Arte Banda Ubenya Victor Lindelof Joshua Zexi Christian Eriksen Alejandro Garnacho Diego Dalot Manuel Ugarte Aiden Haven Johnny Evans Kobe Menu Harry Amas and Toby Collier almost on the bench Edema Bobo Kwa your friend Manchester United with 4-3-2-1 formation and Omoba yet to me adding one some areas wine energy a Europa League Nemre and in Krabia and a betcha and Yabora studio no Barcelona Omo German manager your friend Hansi Flick wa Boera Barcelona Omo office or Menoka saw the pen Eko Sin Krata so 2 years contract extension Hansi Flick signing Area Mabobo Kwa your friend Barcelona on to June 2027 and Hansi Flick extending a contract Emma Barcelona now what matter announcement no enko si ochina no pade now ba say Hansi Flick extending a contract no for 2 more years on to June 2027 area mabobo kwa your friend Barcelona yere won some ede maw urem e Spain your media outlet be your friend La Cadena Sa omodi atuja say Lami Yama Barcelona Spain Abranti Riswawi ene ne agency no etumi aka kire Barcelona say mobile extend ya brand ten contract dia ajimu making no the highest paid player ewo Barcelona current squad no sika omu demand no 35 to 40 million euros per year eno omu demand ya ene nsama if you are yere won some edema na Real Madrid akache report eba ene say Spain akwada weswa ye fe Nico Williams obon ball edema Athletic Club Bilbao no Real Madrid for your margin say new release crop 58 million euros no o hwa rank and quality any scan dia eye ombetua no mafano nienti a omo pese omo ye ne sane say one omo si abrante no ye Spain ni na o hwa ne bon no bona ni Lami Yamal no obetuma ye ne echinsa enti Lami Yamal ye bi ma Barcelona dia e so omo sunya Spain akwala bi no be sade ni bi edema omo enti no omo kofa na ba eno achin so no akwala we no Barcelona 4 penny enti omo fana ebe Barcelona 4 ya ena afen so no Real Madrid person omo build team a in the Spain for the door so ombenya Spanish national team na bo enti no omo kofa Nico Williams edinaba yede awonsam edi asom Jude Bellingham ni ametene after club World Cup na betie hwan ache ena odi abobo na omo bekwa akwaye ne surgery na inde no wakwa kwatena chire boso miensa ontumi embobo eno Jude Bellingham Hendrick nso akwa kupra na ni amete ne se obekwa kwatena fie 2 months ontumi nkobo FIFA Club World Cup na no Real Madrid abrantie Hendrick ofi Brazil enso so ewo ne kra no abrantie Kevin De Bruyne o de sumna bewie wo Man City akachi oko ni amete nse Man City ebesi statue di amano ewo Etihad Stadium ne enim ho no ma ombesi statue edi amana ebusia yam fancy na yanko na ni akebia no entumi entoaso emfama na DJ man mede birthday picture bia ma fatos we fi mia menua Raman Kubaja a colleague sports journalist ewo Ignite Media o say ye fro Zufau Yakubu owo enkran ha na Raman Kubaja say na wa woda or we show happy special birthday na wa woda we anya soronko ewo wa brabom a de bia obekai ala inshire bia ohia bia no onfama na umpaibo bia wabo okukwa mu no nyankopon enti umpaibo enti once again from miaminua Raman Kubaja to you Zufau Yakubu or say happy special birthday and come abusia ye de si ye ko asidan koma kwame fumata e kire ye de nsam no e de e by DJ Marion e de yenko Facebook and YouTube ema unya bi enso ehwe mi amede nsam no ebeso edi ameje so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH the Blessed King na Claire Jesse mentor Jesse ma yencha na nwure o hwe show no ena afenso no Madam Mercy otubia munyina mo hwe show no mi amebra pene Mr. Kofi ayeno wa yensu ano so atema mincha na nwure wone o wife